Now for the last part, this is an additional part which is not there as a part of the activity, but we are doing it in order to get an hands-on for entire Google Sheets, my dear. So over here, we will be inserting charts and giving a title to the chart. So I will be going back to the hands-on activity over here. I will be selecting the student names and their corresponding marks. So remember, I have selected only the names and the marks. Then in order to insert the charts, we have to go to insert menu, and then you will be able to see charts. When you click on the charts, my dear kids, it will be showing you certain working tab, and then on the right hand side, you will be able to see the chart. Yes, you are able to see the charts have been displayed over here. If you want to change the chart, yes, you can make it column also, where you will be able to see that different colors indicate different marks over here. So I will be just dragging it down over here, and you are able to see that Abdul, blue color indicates maths, red color indicates science, yellow indicates or orange indicates social studies, green indicate English, and orange indicates Hindi. So you are able to see Abdul 71, 79. 71, it is between 50 and 70, just below 75, then it is 79. It has to cross 75, then it is 77, yes, crossing 75, then it is 60, in between the range of 50 to 75, and then last it is 32, just below or between 25 and 50. And now if you want to give a title to it, my dear kids, you remember how we have done it. We have to go to customize. First, we will be seeing this chart title. We have already seen how many different types of chart styles are there. Then we will be going for chart and access title. You are able to see over here chart title. I will be giving subject, marks, subject, marks, whatever is the font, make it bold. If you want to place it at the center, place it at the center. Font size 20, 30, whatever you want, make it that particular bold, my dear kids. You are able to see that subject marks is increased. The font color, if you want to make it green color, yes, you are able to make it green. Then you are able to make it blue, any color, my dear kids. Done. So in this particular manner, and those who are working on computers will be able to get this operation called as series, data, label, and scroll down. You will be able to see that the scores, when I just click on the data labels, you are able to see that all data will be coming directly, my dear kids. Then apply to all or apply to math. Since I've applied to all, it will be showing all. So only for computers, those who are working, they will be able to get this, but those who are working on tab and mobiles, they won't be able to get the series options over there. So they won't be able to add the data labels to it, my dear kids. So in this particular manner, we will be inserting a chart also, my dear. You can analyze, there are different types of charts. Whatever charts you want to insert, yes, you are able to insert the charts on it.